I can't wait for summer, guys. I can't wait. Hey sis, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I did a full face, full coverage look, eyeshadow, everything, using all of my favorite drugstore products. You guys know I'm a big drugstore junkie. Like most of my videos, I'm using a drugstore product. So put together all of my favorites and created this look for you guys today. So if you are interested in how I achieve this look, then just continue to watch. All right guys, so I'm gonna start off with my brows today. I'm gonna take my NYX The Brow Glue, and you guys already know I have a tutorial on how I do my brows, but pretty much I use the brow glue to just brush my brows up in place and kind of shape it in place, and then I go in with an eyebrow pencil or whatever just to fill in like any spots that need to fill in, and then I outline it, and then that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna speed this part up for you guys because you guys already know this part. I am gonna show you guys what pencil I use because I've been loving it. Okay, so for brow pencil, I picked up the Essence Micro Precise Eyebrow Pencil. I've been using this for the past week now, guys, and I actually really like it. It's literally $2 in stores, very affordable. At first, I wasn't gravitating to Essence makeup line just because it looked kind of cheap, and I guess that's the point, but this is literally $2 and it's a pretty good eyebrow pencil. I got mine in the shade dark brown, so I pretty much use this to outline my brows. I think I like this because I don't need an eyebrow pencil with a lot of product. Like, this is very small. I literally just need it to just fill in little areas of my brows, and that's pretty much it. So if you are like me and have, you know, eyebrows to work with, and don't need to really fill in as much, this I would definitely recommend. And it's affordable. I picked up like 2 already. So I'm pretty much just using this to outline just any parts of my brow that needs to fill in, and that's pretty much it. I have no idea if they sell this in the States, guys. I know a lot of my subscribers are from the States, so I don't know if they sell Essence there. If they do, let me know in the comments down below. But they do sell it here in Canada. If you are from Canada, they sell it at Shoppers Drug Mart. I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in C11. So for the top, I'm gonna take my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in Cappuccino. Okay, so brows are out of the way. I'm gonna move on to my eyes today. I do wanna do like a springtime eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna use the same concealer, the Makeup Revolution concealer, and just prime my lids. I'm using this one because it's super light, and I'm gonna go in with a lot of light colors today. So I want my eyeshadows to really pop. So I'm gonna put this on my lids and just prime. All right, so for eyeshadow, I'm gonna take my NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This is in Escape Artist, and I really love the shades in this palette. This is screaming spring. So these are the colors that are in this palette. This is literally screaming spring to me. I don't have a look in mind, so we are just gonna wing it today. I do know that I wanna do like a yellowy kind of look, so I'm gonna go in with this yellow shade here first and use that as my transition color. I think I'm gonna do one eye on camera, and then I'll do the next one off just to save some time. I'm gonna go in with this orange shade here in the corner, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. So I don't want the yellow to be lost. I'm gonna go back in and just make sure it stays put. I'm gonna kind of blend out the edges of that orange. So I'm gonna go in with this deeper brown shade. I'm gonna put that in my crease as well. I do want a bit of darkness to this look, so I'm just gonna apply it on my outer V. And I'm literally packing on the color first. I'm gonna go back in with the orange. And then the yellow again. I'm really trying not to lose that yellow. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm gonna take the same Makeup Revolution concealer. And we're just gonna create a half cut crease, my favorite. So I'm kind of stuck between this gold shimmer shade or this one. I really don't know. I think I'm gonna go in with this one here. Okay, so I'm stuck between if I should do a liner or leave it like this. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. liquid liner. This is in jet black, and I'm just gonna create a natural wing liner. I think I'm going to exaggerate it today. I don't know, we'll see. Every time I say I'm gonna exaggerate my liner, it still comes out the same. So let's see. I think that's exaggerated, no? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, apply my lashes, and then we can move on to the complexion. Okay guys, so I put on some dramatic lashes today. I am so used to my Ardell lashes, so I put these ones on. These ones I got from my girl. She ordered these from Amazon, so let me know what you guys think of these ones. So I'm gonna move on to complexion now. I'm gonna go ahead and prime. So I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution Pore Blur Primer, and I'm gonna focus this in my T-zone. All right, so to conceal, I'm gonna take my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in Cappuccino, and I'm just gonna conceal underneath my eyes and around my mouth, the usual. I have like some brown acne spots that need to be concealed. I swear my skin can never flourish for more than like a month. My skin is always going through something. Take my blending brush and just blend this out. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm gonna take my Catrice True Skin Hydrating Foundation. It's hydrating, but it's matte. So I already did a review on this foundation. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave it in the cards above or in the description box below. And then we're just gonna dab this in. All right, so to conceal, I'm gonna mix two concealers. I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution concealer and my CoverGirl Undercover concealer in Golden Caramel. Okay, so I wasn't going to, but I'm gonna go ahead and cream contour. I'm gonna take my L'Oreal concealer in Espresso, and I'm only contouring my cheeks. Just gonna blend that out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my highlight with my banana setting powder from Makeup Revolution. We looking crazy, but it's all good. So I've been loving the NYX Pro Contour Palette. I think I use this in pretty much all my videos. I'm gonna take this shade here, which is almost, actually it actually hit pan now. It's almost gone. I'm gonna use this to powder contour. And I'm just taking a smaller angle brush to contour my nose. Alright, so for my all over powder, I'm going to take my CoverGirl Clean Fresh Powder. This is in 200 Rich, and I'm just going to apply this to my entire face. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. Okay, I'm going to move back on to eyes. I'm going to take my Annabelle retractable eyeliner and put this in my waterline. So I'm going to go in with that orange shade first, and then I'm going to go in with the brown shade for my bottom waterline. This eye look is looking very summery and not spring. I'm going to take my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara and just apply this to my bottom lashes. For blush, I'm going to take my NYX Sweet Cheek Tint. This is in Bombshell. I've been loving this. I think, guys, in my next video, I'm gonna try the, I think it's like you apply your blush and your contour and everything first, and then you apply your foundation. I wanna try that out. I don't know if it's like a TikTok thing, or I think it's a TikTok trend, but I'm gonna try that out in my next video and see how it goes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Alright, so for highlight, I'm going to take my NYX High Glass highlighter, and I'm just going to apply this to the highest points of my face. That is definitely a summer glow. I can't wait for summer, guys. I can't wait. Okay, complexion is looking complete. I love it. I'm gonna move on to lips. So I'm gonna line my lips with, what am I gonna line my lips with? I'm gonna line my lips with my NK liner in dark brown. So I've been loving this lip gloss by Milani. It's the Milani Matte Satin. This is in O2 Luxe or Luxe. I love this. I love it. Then I'm just going to go over it with my Essence lip gloss. This is the Shine Wet Look lip gloss. Alright, and then just to lock all of this in place, give myself a nice natural glow, I'm going to take my Maybelline Glass Spray. Alright sis, so this is pretty much it for the final look. I love how everything came together. I used all of my favorite drugstore products to achieve this look, guys. So this is living proof that you do not need to spend money on the high expensive products to create a flawless look like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed, make sure you are subscribed. Hit the bell so that you are notified each time I upload. Leave your comments down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.